If you're an organization that procures parts, materials, and assemblies and then sells these products to a customer in the aerospace industry, you already understand the importance of AS9120 certification. This is a required certification to sell products to major OEMs in aviation, space, and defense industries. This certification requires organizations to focus on areas impacting product safety and reliability. Some of the areas focused upon in the quality systems requirements for AS9120 certification are traceability, defines specific requirements for traceability from receipt until delivery, controls of records. Record requirements are significantly stringent for distributors of aerospace product. Airworthiness certificates, defines the documents issued by civil aviation authorities, such as the FAA, that certify that parts meet required airworthiness requirements. Splitting, specific requirements for batch splitting and lot splitting, and how conformance to specification is maintained. Evidence of conformance, specific documents are required by distributors as evidence of conformance. If you are looking to acquire AS9120 certification for your company, please consider ISA Registrar as your partner in this endeavor. With years of experience in certifying clients in aerospace industries and with excellent customer satisfaction records, ISA is considered the registrar of choice. Call us today at 951-736-0035 or go to www.isaregistrar.com/freequote.html.